You get into your automatic car, start the engine, and shift into drive. Simple, right? But what if I told you that many drivers unknowingly make small mistakes that slowly destroy their transmission and end up with a repair bill in the thousands? In this video, we'll cover 20 things you should never do in an automatic car, plus one bonus tip at the end that could save your transmission. Here's what you shouldn't do. Number 1. Running on empty. Driving with your gas tank almost empty can seriously hurt your car. Why? Because the fuel pump sits inside the tank and uses fuel to stay cool. When you're low on gas, there's not enough fuel to cool it, which can cause it to overheat and wear out faster. Also, when fuel levels are low, debris and gunk from the bottom of the tank can get sucked into the fuel system, clogging the filter and hurting performance. To avoid costly repairs, keep your tank at least a quarter full. Number 2. Coasting in neutral. Some people shift into neutral when going downhill, thinking it saves fuel, but in modern cars, it doesn't. Staying in gear actually uses less fuel because the car can cut fuel flow automatically when coasting. Also, being in neutral reduces your control. You can't quickly accelerate in an emergency. Plus, shifting back into drive while moving can strain your transmission. It's safer and smarter to stay in gear. Number 3. Driving through deep water. Water and automatic transmissions don't mix. Most vehicles have transmission vents located low on the drivetrain. Driving through deep water can allow water to enter the transmission through these vents. When water contaminates the transmission fluid, it turns into a milky, frothy sludge that quickly damages internal components, especially clutch packs, solenoids, and bearings. Once contamination occurs, simply changing the fluid won't undo the damage. Avoid deep water unless your vehicle is specifically designed for it, like some 4x4s with extended vent hoses. Number 4. Leaving the car in drive at stop lights. Leaving your car in drive at a red light may seem harmless, but it keeps the torque converter engaged and produces heat. Over time, this added heat can wear down your transmission. Shifting to neutral allows transmission fluid to circulate more freely and helps reduce heat buildup, which can extend the life of your transmission. Number 5. Not warming up your transmission. On cold days, your transmission fluid thickens and doesn't flow well, which can cause hard shifts or delays. Just like warming up your engine, it's good to let your car idle for a bit before driving, especially in freezing weather. This helps the transmission fluid warm up and circulate properly. Number 6. Resting your hand on the gear selector. Resting your hand on the gear selector. It may feel comfortable, but resting your hand on the gear lever applies slight pressure on internal parts. Over time, this causes unnecessary wear. To avoid damage, keep your hand off the shifter unless you're changing gears. Number 7. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. Your car's warning lights are important. The transmission temperature light means it's overheating. The oil pressure light warns of low lubrication, and the battery light could mean charging issues. Ignoring these can lead to bigger and more expensive problems. Always pay attention to what your car is trying to tell you. Number 8. Turning off the car before it's in park. Turning off your engine while still in drive or neutral can confuse the transmission system. Modern cars often won't let you remove the key unless it's in park. It's safer and better for your car to always shift into park first before shutting off the engine. Number 9. Hard acceleration. Flooring the gas pedal from a stop may feel fun, but doing it often puts a lot of stress on your engine and transmission. It wears out engine mounts and suspension parts faster. Try to accelerate smoothly to keep your vehicle in good shape. Number 10. Shifting into park before a full stop. If you put your car in park while it's still moving, you're forcing a small part called the parking pawl to stop the entire car. This part is not made for that kind of force and can break. Always make sure your car is fully stopped before shifting into park. Number 11. Neglecting transmission fluid changes. Transmission fluid breaks down over time. Some people think it's lifetime fluid, but it's not. Dirty or old fluid can't protect the gears properly and causes damage. Check the color and smell. If it's dark or smells burnt, it needs changing. Fresh fluid helps your transmission run smoothly. Number 12. Never put the car in park without pulling the handbrake. The handbrake isn't just for hills. It helps hold the car in place and keeps it from rolling. If you don't use it, all the car's weight rests on a small part in the transmission, especially on slopes. Over time, this can damage that component. Always use the handbrake when parking. Number 13. Idling the car in drive for too long. Leaving your car in drive while idling keeps the torque converter engaged, building unnecessary heat in the transmission. Over time, this can wear out internal components. If you're stopped for a while, it's better to shift into park or neutral. Number 14. Shifting from drive to reverse or vice versa while the car is moving. Changing gears while still rolling is hard on your transmission. It can cause major damage, especially in older vehicles. Newer cars have systems to prevent this, but it's still not a good habit. Always stop completely before changing from drive to reverse or the other way around. Number 15. Don't be aggressive when stuck in snow. If your car gets stuck, avoid slamming the gas pedal. Spinning the wheels rapidly can overheat the transmission and damage the drivetrain. Instead, gently rock the car back and forth. Use sand or traction aids and avoid putting too much strain on the system. Stay calm and go slow. Number 16. Carrying too much weight without consideration. Automatic cars have a weight limit. Hauling excessive loads without checking your vehicle's capacity forces the transmission to work harder than it should. As a result, transmission temperatures rise quickly and internal components wear out faster. It also makes braking less effective, putting more strain on the drivetrain system. Number 17. Riding the brakes. Some drivers tend to keep their foot lightly on the brake pedal when driving slowly in traffic or going downhill. This creates constant friction and generates excess heat in both the brakes and the transmission, especially over extended periods. It shortens brake life and adds unnecessary stress to the torque converter. Number 18. Ignoring proper gear modes like L, 2, or S. Many automatics come with manual, sport, S, or low gear, L1 Tadu modes. Not using these when needed, such as going down steep hills, can make your transmission work inefficiently. These modes help keep engine and transmission speeds optimal and reduce the load on your brakes, preventing overheating. Number 19. Letting the car roll back on hills. In hill traffic, some drivers allow the car to roll back slightly before hitting the gas. This can jolt the transmission when torque is suddenly applied. Over time, this habit can damage clutch packs and the torque converter. Use your handbrake or foot brake to hold the car steady instead. Number 20. Failing to check fluid level and quality regularly. Automatic transmissions rely heavily on the quality and level of their fluid. Many drivers forget to check or don't realize fluid can drop due to small leaks. Poor quality or low fluid levels can lead to serious damage. A quick check can save you from expensive repairs down the road. Here's a bonus tip that I promised earlier. Don't leave your car parked in direct sunlight for too long. The sun doesn't just make the inside of your car hot. It also heats everything under the hood, including your transmission. And over time, that extra heat dries out important seals and breaks down transmission fluid faster. The result? You might start feeling sluggish or delayed shifts. But here's the good news. It's easy to avoid whenever you can park in the shade. If shade isn't an option, try using a windshield sunshade. These small steps can protect a lot more than just your transmission. Over time, sunlight can wear down your car's paint, headlights, and even your tires. UV rays break down the clear coat on your paint, causing it to fade or peel. And headlights? They get that yellowed, hazy look and lose brightness. Even your tires can suffer. Direct sunlight dries out the rubber, causing cracks that weaken them over time. So remember, keeping your car out of direct sunlight isn't just about staying cool. It's about keeping your car's performance and appearance in top shape. Shade, a sunshade or any cover, goes a long way in protecting your car. Avoiding these common mistakes will save you costly repairs and extend your car's life. By being mindful, you protect both your engine and your wallet. Remember, small adjustments make a big difference in keeping your automatic running smoothly. Now let's hear from you. What's the biggest mistake you've seen drivers make with their transmissions? Share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to keep your car running better, longer. See you in the next video.